2,000 horsepower.
Ooh, are you the boss or is he the boss?
Is that a question?
I'm the boss. They're gonna break up today.
We're super stoked to work with Borla. Their bread and butter is like bolt-on applications for normal cars that you probably own.
You talking to me?
Do you think when we said let's do something, they thought 1,000 horsepower, party mobile, 4 seats?
No. We have no idea how to move this.
Watch me destroy this fender.
I finished Naruto in like a month.
He had one job.
Why is it backwards?
And we should actually build a life-size RC car. Oh, yo, what on earth?
Leave Alex alone for 2 days.
Whoa.
Are you sure Suppy didn't do this?
Why are you recording? Team effort here.
Team effort. Are we a team? Are we a team?
Bert, look what we did.
Look, we did this. We did it. Come on, just. This looks like some crazy drag chassis or something.
Sure. It's a chassis for sure.
Have you done this before?
I haven't done this before, actually. So we had the front and the back, the main frame rails on the sides, did the tubular work for the transmission tunnel and our seating area. This is pretty much done. Well, this is the majority of our structure. Suppy's been working on the roll cage. Plop it on top. Yeah, and the roll cage, along with this, is gonna give us a tremendous amount of rigidity. So we're pushing 2,000 horsepower out of our Hellcat engine here. It's not gonna wanna twist
Yo,
like that.
we opened up a can of worms with this guy.
No, get that camera late.
He played hard to get, and now he's just letting it all out.
You did this.
I did this?
Yeah, you egged him on.
Oh my
I don't do
goodness.
fab work anymore.
He's caught on to
Yeah,
we should leave.
they're starting to figure this out. All right, so like Alex said, the main goal today is to test fit the body onto the chassis. We have a couple of parts to swap out and add on, steering rack, suspension bits, little things here and there, but ultimately we just want to see how the body fits on this. So nice job to this man for building a wonderful chassis. And obviously good job to Suppy for supervising the whole thing. Top notch, top notch.
Which idea was it to put this direction and that direction?
He's the supervisor.
One day, man, come back and it's backwards, and everybody's like, who did this? It was you guys.
No, it's the way the table was set up is the way it was, that's just the way it was called.
What's in the box? Oh God! We got a new steering rack because we wanted power steering. It's gonna be tossed back and forth. We wanted power steering. Taking the manual rack out, throwing this boy in. We got these spindles as well because we want to drop it 2 inches. We want this thing to sit super, super low. So 2-inch drop spindle. So it'll sit even lower. Throw that on, throw the chassis on. There's some long bolts. You get something for that. That sounds cool.
That's the 90 teeth.
I love 90 teeth.
So as you can see, we loaded up the shop with some of the new 90T gear wrench ratcheting wrenches. They work both on 6 and 12-point heads and also have a 4-degree swing arc. Can you show them 4 degrees?
Real light one.
Ooh. On top of that though, numbers are orange. So like from here,
What you want?
let me get a 17. I did. The greatest feature of them all is you get a lifetime warranty on gear wrench. So
Give me one. I actually need. She's like, oh yeah, it's up there.
yo, you know what we need? We need yellow bumper guards. It comes with the Hellcat swap.
I don't hate the yellow bumper guards.
Don't hate them?
I don't hate them.
Yo,
Something like that.
you're okay with that? This is gonna be cool.
This is actually happening.
It's actually happening. Is it gonna stay on or?
It was gonna lift up slightly so we can finish the welding around it, but
Yeah,
it's
I missed a few spots.
We
I'm sorry.
We missed a few slots. Well, sweet. All right, well, let's get this thing laid down and.
Look at Alex is ready.
Nice job, Suppy. Nice job.
Go up though.
Hey, what happened?
Alex is scared of everything.
I'm gonna ask Alex what's happening.
Look at this.
Update us. What's going on? Is Suppy stupid?
Suppy is very stupid.
Tell us how you feel. What's going on?
We're just trying to align it right now.
Who's the boss? Are you the boss or is he the boss?
I'm the boss.
Hey, Suppy.
Yeah.
Are you the boss or is he the boss?
Is that a question?
You are?
Why? What did he tell you?
No, nothing.
They're gonna break up. That's more than that.
Oh, it is. It's exactly inch and a quarter off. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Alright, stop. Can you shift the forks forward more?
Yeah. Inch and a quarter. Jinx.
What are you doing? Just making noise.
We gotta trim this back piece where the chassis kicks up.
Oh,
Yeah, it sucks.
it's so close.
Alright, we're off.
Oh, dude, get out.
Oh, you finally happy with it, Alex?
And this was so easy, man. It went on. We didn't have to do a single thing.
Good job, Suppy.
Easy install.
Good
Thanks,
job.
man.
Hey, great job, Suppy. You really nailed it.
It looks sick, man. It looks real good.
Yeah, that's how low this thing is, too.
That's a good ride height right there. So what was hitting? And just shave this down?
Yep.
And it fits right in. Man, the bar fits nice here too, huh? Good job, Alex.
This is nice. Everything came out where it should be.
You know who the real hero is here.
You and Eugene.
It's all of us. We did it, bud.
Did it! Who do you think you are? I am! Dan and I got the car on top of the chassis, and it looks fantastic. Fantastic. Can you guys get out of frame?
You guys did an awesome job.
Pretty good, right?
She fits perfect. We had to trim a little bit out the back, and that was about it. Yeah. And we have to now figure out the trunk and figure out how we're gonna tie it all together. But all in all, it went down pretty smooth. Dude, it's gonna tough.
Baby Bronson is really stoked on his wheel placement. Let's take a look under here. Yo, the hood will close and everything. That's
Yeah.
like pretty spot on. Okay.
Meant to be.
This is pretty sick. So what's happening next?
All 4 seats, seat belt, pedal placement, steering column, floors.
You've never done this before,
Kind of, yeah, not in this style and not to this extent.
but your brain's just that big in there where it's not a
This is
problem.
easy. That's too easy! It's easier to do it with nothing than it is just cutting the floor out of like a unibody car. That would be harder because then you have to mate it to whatever's there.
Well, sweet.
This came out nice though.
It looks great. It looks great. Dan, we did a great job.
Yeah, dude.
Thank God we have this talent here.
Don't say any more words.
Thank you.
Don't say any more words. Nice job, Dan.
Yo, the bodega's open too.
Yeah. Oh, you want to hit the RC track?
cars.
All right, cool.
Alex, you want to tell the good people how you're doing a roots pass and then you're gonna cap it with another pass?
No, because you're already explaining it. I keep it real. Look at that coloration. That is beautiful. They know Suppy business.
This is serious business. Somebody's dead. Alex, do you want to be a part of this? Alex is the grumpiest guy we have here. I thought I was bad.
Some of us have work to do.
The cage is mostly done. Top half of the cage is all welded together. The X-bar is already done. So it's time to get the body on the car. You hear all that noise because normally we send the car off to the body shop, but this time we have the body shop come to the car. So the next step is going to be get that body back on this chassis and then start doing the door bars to run the fuel line, and then mount the radiators, do the intercoolers, and some wiring.
I don't think it's enough. Oh my god. Put the weight on!
What happens if it falls?
We die.
This is Sparta!